Now on a larger branch we'd use some fancy tools to help us lift it, but this is small enough. I'm going to have Daryl help me get the branch in position. Alright, that's good right there. You got it? I'm using a 3/8 threaded rod for this. It's something simple you can pick up at Lowe's. This one is zinc plated, but if you have a little more lead time or patience with it, you can order some galvanized from Fastenal, and that would do, wouldn't rust as fast. We just finished raising this branch, which had fallen down in the storm, raising this back up, and first thing we did was weight reduction pruning. Cut out a branch here, here, and here, and that took this many branches off of the tree, about a third of the branches, just some of the larger ones. Second step was to add a guy wire all the way across, and this is supporting the weight of the branch. Then the third thing we did was put a threaded rod or bolt right through it here, and that is attached just above the fork, so that gives it a lot of strength. You can see that the crack is healed up, or not healed, but has closed right here. And taking a look at the other side, we've pulled it all the way to it's closed here as well. So those are the 3 steps for reattaching a branch.